Switch off, everybody. Now we are to discuss the seventh part. The seventh part, there is a spark. Spark because of the discontent. Sparks because of the dissatisfaction. Sparks means chingari. Because of the dissatisfaction and discontent. This spark started in 1855 to 1857. Taxes continued to ruin the peasants in Bengal. Santhals, Adivasi group, Santhals means of the area, who had lost their lands under new land rules, became desperate. They became sad. Desperate means sad. In 1855, they rose in rebellion. Rebellion means they were against the British government. Massacred. Massacred means killed. Excessive killing. Europeans and their supporters alike. They started killing Europeans as well as their supporters of European. Who killed? Santhals. Why they killed? Because they became desperate. Why they became desperate? Because their lands was taken by Britishers under the new land rules. Now, discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. On the one part, Santhals means local people were opposing, they became rebellion, they were killing the Europeans as well as the supporters. In the same way, the army in East India Company, okay, also there was a discontent in the army. Why? The causes of discontent was the white soldier gets huge payment, and they were having the servants also, while the Indian servants get very low payment. Angrez asks us to cross the sea, which is against our religion, who is the topi wala, to abolish our age-old custom. Second, discontent. Next, cause of discontent, Angrez government wants Indian soldiers to cross the sea, but to cross the sea was against the rules, against the religion of Indian customs. Thousands of other sepoys revolted. Sepoy means sipai, sainik. Withdraw, revolt means withdraw. They were stripped of their uniform. They were put off. They were compelled to put off their uniform. Now the question is, before I question, I'm just a minute. Yes, dear, what do you say?
Sir, Chirag Saxena is disturbing me.
Chirag Saxena, don't listen to him. I'm not, because it is a recording. I will come to know in the recording who is creating. As you can see, Hemant Sikarwar is writing a line. We must drive out the Angrez.
Messaging me in the chat box.
Okay.
Chirag Saxena is messaging me in chat.
I will see it. Let me complete this part. We must drive out Angrez. This was the feeling of common Indian people. What was the common feeling? That we must drive out the Angrez from the country. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. Mangal Pandey, you might have heard the name of Mangal Pandey.
Sir, what is means of desperate?
What means, dear?
Sir, desperate means.
Desperate. Desperate means sad. Helpless. Desperate means sad or helpless. Sorry. And thousands, yes. Then what happened? Sepoy Mangal Pandey, I humiliated and put in irons those Indians who, revolted against the British. They were insulted. Humiliated means insulted, and put in the irons. They were jailed. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the people's mind. Oh, proud Brahmin soldier, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to buy is made from the fat of cows and pigs. You see, in the bullet, grease was being applied. This grease was the fat of cows and pigs. And when Brahmins, Hindus, they are touching with the mouth, indirectly they are taking the flesh of cow and pigs. It is not allowed. We were the non-violent. We were the vegetarian. It is against our dharma, religion. What? Brahman said what? The white man has deceived us too. Musliman also said. You can see. They were talking. You can see them in the form of the conversation. It is a feeling of the Musliman. The white man has deceived us too. Soon, chapatis were sent from place to place to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Yes, all my blaze men will be ready. Similar lotus flowers circulated among Indian soldiers that to the foreigners, the masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. In this way, they circulated the masses. Leaves means the chapatis means inside the chapati there were the masses. Masses were circulated in the people against the British government. I've put the question you can see under the title of NDCA. What ruined the peasants? Who will answer the question? What ruined the peasants? Can you answer?
So what is
Sir,
ruined?
taxes
What
belong to
ruined?
the peasants.
What ruined
Sir,
the
taxes.
peasants?
Taxes.
The peasants were ruined by what?
Taxes.
By the taxes. Hello, switch off your video, switch off your audio. What is the matter going on? Second question is, why did Santhals massacre? Massacre means killing, excessive killing. Europeans and their supporters. Santhals were killing Europeans. Why? Yes, tell answer.
Sir, because the lands of Santhals were taken by the Britishers.
Okay. What are the examples of discontent? Examples of discontent means the Europeans were being killed. Their supporters were also killed. And there was a discontent in the army. Lotus or the chapatis were circulated among the Indians to rise against the British government. It was done. It was the spark. Now 8 point is revolt. What was the revolt? Then there was a violent outbreak of Meerut. At Meerut there was a violent fighting, outbreak was there. His war erupted, violent erupted, hinsa, violent means hinsa, erupted. The sepoys marched to Delhi, all the soldiers, rebellion soldiers, sepoys went to Delhi. Long live our emperor Bahadur Shah. There was Bahadur Shah who was the emperor, and they greeted Bahadur Shah. Then what happened? The rebellion spread wider, and the rebellion means withdraw, mutiny was spreading, was expanding wider, wider and wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policy, and they were sore. And many landlords were also along with the Indians because they also lost their land because of the new laws of the people, new laws of the Britishers. The white man's rules must end. Yes, we will help you. It was going on. It was the second part. Now, ninth part. Listen to the fight for freedom started in 1857. It was a fight for freedom. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Begum Hazrat felt so. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, rise brothers. He raised the voice, rise brothers, rise. The Angrez is ruining our land. Angrez is destroying our land. We have to be against them. We have to fight, jointly. They joined the officers against the foreigners. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad. People rose against the British government, British rule. Ajimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nand Sahib as our leader in this bar of independence. Peshwa Sahib leader is going to be made leader by the Muslims also. 8-year-old Kumar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Wrist means kalai mein bullet lagi. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. And in this way he died. He said to Mother Ganga, the patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India, and it was done in North India. Now, my dear, this is